Since you're closest.
Is this recording?
Yeah.
All right, come right here real quick and do the Gandalf.
Okay.
Gandalf! No! All right.
Hi.
And you are now Gandalf the White. Jet.
Which clothes next, Mom?
You can do Harry Potter.
Harry Potter? Mom again? Voldemort.
Voldemort? Oh. Abracadabra!
I need a little stick or something. I'm an alien boy, cannonball. Hello. Now you will enjoy the pool, like me.
You are still recording. It's 8 minutes and 53 seconds. That's ridiculous. Okay, we're 2 Live crew. Oh, we got the front on off to take that off. Look who it is. What's up, YouTube?
It's the birthday boy.
Cash. Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
How old are you today?
Tell us a little bit. What do you want to tell your future self when you watch this video 10 years from now and you're 19?
I don't know.
You don't even know? Alright, so it's Cash's birthday. He's 9 years old today. We're in South Padre, Texas. Clearly, you know that by watching these videos. We're gonna head over to the
birding center and the alligator sanctuary. Yes, hopefully see some
Which is
gators.
the same place.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll take you guys over there. It's our last day here on vacation. We're loving it. We just arrived to the Birding and Nature Center. We'll already see a bird.
Where?
Right there. Look out.
Oh.
All right, we're excited to take you guys in. Check out this bird.
Want some sunscreen first.
South Padre Island.
Window up.
So here in South Padre, you have these clouds and you will get fried if you don't have sunscreen on.
UV index.
It's a real thing down here. So you go, oh, it's not sunny. It hits different down here.
How did I know?
Great.
Hi. Get 2 adults and then 9 and 12.
Okay. Were y'all interested in any food for animals or holding some animals?
Which animals are you able to feed?
You can feed our gators and our tortoises.
Okay.
And then you're also able to hold the gator and snake if you're interested for an additional 10.
Okay. And that gives you food also? Or
No, the food's additional.
okay. We might feed some gators, but
Just the gator food? Okay.
are the tortoises or those ones you can get right up to them? Or?
Daddy,
Mm.
somebody come gator.
Somebody come get her. Who's Big Padre?
Big Padre's our adult gator. He's 12 foot long, 7 inches.
That's a
They were feeding him just now. I don't know if they're still doing it.
How about Lady Laguna? Is that another big gator?
Yeah, she's in his pond. They're kind of hitched.
It's kind of stinky. Kind of stinky, huh? Ew.
I know.
I don't
Here you
know
go,
how you
Jack.
get used to that. Man, it's impressive how big and thick their tail is.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If you look how big their, like how white it is, how much muscle's in there.
These are juvenile.
Gator feed, baby. Gator and got no.
Oh, bitches. Kibbles.
I don't know what this is.
Dog turds.
Yeah. Hydrate. Ew.
High protein dog turd.
What was that?
Isn't it crazy how like those are as old as dinosaurs basically or something? Eat my children! What is it?
Oh, it's big Padre.
That's Big Padre?
Yeah.
He's on a special diet? What's that mean?
He's 12'6".
That's our biggest gator.
Port Arthur and people there really liked him. He would hang around a boat dock for the fishermen to throw him the scraps as they clean fish.
Mom, that is Big Padre.
Maybe she's under the water.
I think they said they just did a feeding plan too.
Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, that was a
They just
fun.
have a wall right here, and then this is actually just all wild.
I guess so.
Pretty cool.
Let's go check
Cash,
out the tortoises.
what do you think, buddy?
Over tortoises.
They're over that way. We'll go feed them, okay?
You don't want to go?
I said retarded.
Did you?
I thought
Oh,
retarded.
look at him eating. Let me get in there, boo.
The big boy.
The big boy. Wonder how old this dude is. He's got to be like 60 to 80 years old.
Here you go.
Look at it raising it. Oh my god! It's got like
They
a.
will bite.
It looks like a snake head.
Get it.
It's a tortoise.
Hi.
It's a tortoise, not a turtle.
Be nice.
Oh, hold on to it. Oh my goodness.
Crunching.
Where'd you put
Give me
that?
some more.
Yeah, you want to see them.
It's like feeding a dinosaur.
Think about it, probably is.
You drop this piece.
These are tiny.
Yeah.
That's wild.
We gotta go look at some birds over there somewhere.
Well, where's the birdie? They have a goose
How
shop
cool
in
is
there.
that, huh?
Yeah.
They have a goose shop in there.
I'd touch it, but they carry salmonella.
Ew, really?
Yeah.
I ain't touching that. There's Big Papa.
Oh yeah, right here. Look.
He's a big old honker.
And that one's like a demon. There's the Padre. He is big.
Big, okay.
Big baby.
I don't know this one.
These are called the mud flats.
Oh yeah?
That's
Are
what.
those crabs or no? Those are just crabs.
Are those
Oh,
oysters?
those are oysters, yeah. Like
Oh,
oyster
okay.
clusters.
Those are the nasty oysters. Those are those nasty oysters we had the other night at the restaurant. Ugh.
Dad's
Gross.
favorite.
Mommy's favorite.
Actually, no, it's Jet.
Jet ate more than I think the rest of them. What do you think this is? Like the water comes high, or do you think this is from like sea mist and stuff?
Sea mist, I bet. I don't think the water comes this high.
Hey, the laughing bull. The laughing
Oh,
bull.
look at one in the winter. See?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's the
wintering,
la-
okay. Oh, they get white pelicans in the winter and kingfishers.
But then they have brown pelicans in the summer.
red-breasted
And there's a brown
merganser.
booby somewhere.
A brown booby?
That's what it's called.
It's a porthole.
Look.
See any dolphins out there?
See any flipper?
I wonder if this is like the shallow parts. Oh, there's some jumping fish over there.
If this is the shallow
This
parts?
is the shallow, and then over there is like deeper. You see where it's like a lighter and then it gets darker colored?
Yeah.
It's gotta be, huh?
It's gotta
That or it's just,
It's all shallow.
No, I bet you're right. I bet the darker colors are.
But then there's like the seaweed and stuff too.
See how calm the water is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.
You guys want to go?
Oh, what's happening over here? Sounds like a box. There's taco over here.
Oh, I see it. It's got like a big
Oh, there it is.
beak on it. See it?
Yeah, it's one of those.
Oh, he's wafting.
herons. I saw him. Maybe he was the thing rippling the waters.
I just love you. I love when you talk like that.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
Oh, look at this little guy.
Cool. That has to be a.
Hi.
That has to be a juvenile.
Is he gonna get a bird or a? Oh, look, he's going stealth mode. Oh, he got it.
Wow, how cool.
Yeah, he's like stealth mode.
Hey.
Got another one. You think that'd be weird feeling that those fish are still alive when you put them in your belly?
Yeah.
And they got to be moving around inside your belly. You know what I'm saying? Like flopping around inside his intestines. What do you think so far? Beautiful?
Nice. Good and hot today, though.
Oh yeah.
Hot and humid.
Hot and humid. Hi, boo. No rounding around up here.
Why do we have to be late in the bar over there?
Yeah. Does it scare you? I'm not even up all the way. Be alright.
Up and away.
Pretty cool. See, hold on to your hat.
I am looking down.
Okay, yeah, don't look down.
I'm not even looking down.
Okay.
All right, hold on. So this side
What?
compared to that side, this is just the end of the island. It's all
I
the
looked
same
down.
thing, right?
What do you mean?
I looked down.
It's all the Gulf of Mexico.
That's the Gulf of Mexico.
What's this?
That's the Laguna Madre. That's that little strip,
Oh,
because this is technically an island right here. That's the
Okay.
Gulf of Mexico.
Okay. Nice.
And then this is South Padre Island. Yeah, let's.
I looked down.
Oh, don't do that.
It was horrifying.
Wastewater as a resource. Okay, so solids, let's see here. Yeah.
Look down. I dare you.
Can dry and bed. Cast. Oh my god. I'm good until he gets to the edge.
I bet you can't even reach over it though.
I know. It's just Don't do that, boo.
Ooh, soft shell.
It's over here. Oh, big old snake.
Oh my god. What is that?
Small.
What is that? A python?
No, these are pythons.
Shit. Is that big Padre?
19-foot African crocodile.
Shoot, he big.
How long is that crocodile? It says 19 feet.
It said that. It's a 13-foot crocodile all day long. I haven't taken that sign down. This was donated to us. I just think that's a great example of how much people love to exaggerate when it comes to these animals.
I
It's
don't
only
know.
13 feet,
Mm-hmm.
but that's still huge.
It's only 6 inches longer than Padre.
Why does it say 19 feet?
Because someone decided they'd rather just call it 19 foot instead of putting a tape measure on it.
No way.
I took a tape measure out and put it on it. It's a 13-foot crocodile.
That's funny, man.
Crazy, right?
Look at these guys. Those are caimans.
These are about
These
adult
are
size.
dwarf
I hope
caiman?
it got
Yeah, these ones are more like South America and
These
like
are adult size already.
they are?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
See?
Adult size?
Male, average 4.5 feet. Female, 3.9 feet.
It ain't working no more. He knows my trick. This guy would snatch mine off.
Yeah. Oh, look, he's moving. He sees you. He's really looking at you. Your hand up there, I think.
What's wrong with my brother?
What are they doing?
You see his hand up there.
Huh?
You see his hand up there.
Oh my god.
Do that up and down again. Okay, so they can see up here, see? It's like just the shadow. They see the shadow.
The heck is that?
Tim?
Yeah.
He sees the shadow.
Oh my god. Oh, so these are baby ones.
Yearlings, they're only a year old. Max size up to 16 feet. Females up to 8.5 feet. They can live 30 to 50 years.
He's got one eye open and the other eye barely open. It looks like that on the couch.
Alright, so the bird sanctuary.
A lot of fun. Nice breezes throughout. I like the alligators, and probably favorite part was feeding the tortoises, I would say.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Jet, what do you think, bud?
Oh, same thing as mom. I liked it. Humid though.
Yeah, very humid.
Yeah.
Cash?
I know a juvenile crocodile tried to eat my hat.
Oh yeah.
The caiman.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
What about yours?
Mine was probably feeding the tortoises. You guys have to check it out if you're down in this area. We're gonna get something to eat real quick and then keep on having fun.
Last day here.
Gotta make it count. Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Hey. That's your typical DQ for some ice cream.
Birthday.
Birthday ice cream for the boo-boo. Heck yeah. Whose birthday? Got me a banana split. Hey, birthday boy. How's your slushie?
You got brain freeze.
Ah, man, I had a really bad brain freeze. I had the worst brain freeze my entire life. I'd had some of Cash's Misty slushie. I thought my head was gonna explode. Yeah, how was yours?
Good.
What are you doing, boo? You ready? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cash. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay. It's a platypus.
A squishmallow.
Platypus.
A platypus?
I call it Perry the platypus.
Look at his tail.
Short, little, chubby, little.
Dang! Avatar Lego.
Yeah, the one he wanted.
Gandalf and Belrog.
What is it?
Gandalf and Belrog.
Show him. Show him the camera.
Gandalf and what?
Belrog?
Belrog? Is that big monster?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two of his favorite characters in Lord of the Rings.
Oh,
Happy birthday, boo.
Hey, happy birthday, boo.
And a trip to South Padre.
South Padre.
Pirate.
And currently in this video back home, it snowed today. Back in Iowa is where we're from. It was 29 degrees and, what'd you say, 40 mile an hour winds?
Well, up to 40 mile per hour wind.
Up to 40 mile an hour. I was sweating. So.
Oh, we're all sweating.
Dang, cool.
Happy birthday, we love you.
What do we do?
You want to say anything to your future self?
I don't know.
Say whatever you want.
I don't know.
Are you a pretty happy 9-year-old?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good deal. Give him a big old hug.
What do you hear?
Oh, give him a big hug.
He's got drooly lips though.
Oh, me.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Okay, mommy's turn.
Hold on. There we go.
I love you. Happy birthday. Little babies.
Little babies. Hey, my big man. 9 years old, huh? Hey, look at the camera. Hey.
And to your brother.
And best for last, Jetty boy.
Hey.
All right. So, I think we're gonna go to the county park first while it's daylight. Check that out.
What
And
the
then
heck
head
is
over
the
and
Valley
eat.
Park?
Over here. And then we'll go eat something. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna go swimming one last time and get in that tub. It's gonna be awesome.
Here comes the birthday boy.
There's the birthday boy. So we are at the beach. We're at the county beach. This is the county park. We had to pay $12 to get in here. So it'd be like equivalent of like a back home, like a Ponca State Park or a Stone Park or something like that.
It's very soft. Easy to use.
This is pretty nice.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Joe was like, you could easily get your car stuck in this.
Oh
Oh
yeah.
yeah. Very soft.
Look at all that sea mist. It's pretty cool. This is a pretty nice beach. What do you think there, dude?
I think it's pretty cool.
Okay.
Huh? What about it?
Yeah, what about it?
What?
This.
Pretty cool.
Yeah?
What?
What you got?
What?
What is it?
It's tracks.
Oh yeah, laughing seagull tracks.
Oh shoot, it's wet.
Yeah, it's wet.
I mean, cold. Okay,
Cold?
yeah.
Wasn't it cold the other day? Oh. I'll hold your hand on the beach.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Like long walks to the beach?
Yeah, you want a long walk on the beach? Come on, let's get those feet wet.
Oh my god, that is freezing. Brr, how are people out in that water?
Ooh! Let me get you on camera. Do it.
Pretty soon.
They're gonna tap you. They're gonna be pissed.
How do you do this?
Just push.
Press it. There you go.
I'm cleaning my stuff.
Alright, clean your toes.
Come over to this one, boo. This one you just hit it. And it stays going. So, what'd you guys think of the beach?
Very nice.
This
Very
is-
misty.
These grasses are all misty.
Yeah.
In fact,
I even tried cleaning them. I feel very damp everywhere.
interview time with Jet.
What's up, Boo?
What'd you think?
Pretty cool.
Yeah?
Here you go, Booze.
Cass, what'd you think of the beach? Did you get some seashells?
You sure did.
All right.
Okay. So,
You like it, huh? Are you having a great birthday? Show everybody the perfect seashell. That's hard.
Perfect seashell.
Look at that. Amazing. It's a nice county park. You got this thing to get out of the sun. The play of beach pencils. They got everything you need. We got beer, $4. Cool.
yay, we're finally at.
Where are we at?
Oh, yay, we're finally at.
No way. Okay,
Daddy's.
come on.
Look at all my.
Seashells. There you go.
We'll have to wash our hands.
Come on.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, what's up?
Daddy's.
I know.
Yay, we're finally at. Daddy's. Where the heck is Daddy's?
No way.
Where the heck is Daddy's?
We gotta get Jesse's picture. I think this is where we get in right here.
The entrance to town.
Cash is gonna get the fried popcorn shrimp.
Yay, we're at Daddy's.
There's this guy, he's our waiter, and he's got a shirt on. Obviously it's a work shirt, but it's for like crawfish. And his shirt says it's not going to suck itself. I can't right now.
Open. Daddy's.
Jet, what are you gonna get to eat? Nice, sir. Popcorn shrimp too? Huh?
40 feet platana. Can I have that? 50 cent buck?
I don't think so.
Kidding.
I don't think so. I'm not even sure. Alright, Jet. What'd you order?
Shrimp pasta?
Shrimp pasta?
Alfredo?
Shrimp Alfredo? Birthday boy, what did you get?
Popcorn shrimp.
Popcorn shrimp?
Where are we?
Daddy's.
Oh my god. I ordered the Bayou, which is a blackened fish with white rice and crawfish tufi? I don't know how to pronounce it. What did you order?
I ordered the red snapper. Yes. It's in season.
Thank you, Jack.
How muggy it is, look.
I know, it's almost like it's raining.
Look,
You guys want your picture on the alligator?
Put your head in there.
Oh, cool, Mom. Can I write it?
Sure.
It's your birthday.
You do what you want, brother.
Oh my God, I'm riding the gator.
Let me get your picture.
that big Padre?
Daddy.
Yeah, it is big.
But you know,
Padre.
that's
Big
how big he is.
Padre. Padre means father.
Really?
I don't know how big he is.
Let's see ya.
Wait, so it's Big Daddy?
Yeah. Do it. Boom.
Big Padre?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy.
No, good one.
Daddies.
Give me a good one. You gonna twerk on it? Is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, I got it on film too. Come on, boo. What did you think of the old daddies back there?
Daddies? Daddy can be good.
I better good.
What did you think of
It
daddies?
was all right. My red snapper is pretty good. So we're gonna go back to KOA. Cash's birthday. He says he wants to go swimming. So we are going to go swimming. This camera lens is,
It has all
there's
types
so much humidity in the air down here that the lens is all fogged up.
of Dad's creation.
It's ridiculous.
It's mine.
Is today your birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah, how old are you?
I'm 9 and I already got a jet ski. Jet ski. I'm going full throttle.
Let me try that jet ski. I want to try it one time. Ah, sunburn on my shoulders and Gungan, I'm a gungan. Like a cat. You catch my shoulders, smoke.
How you doing?
Hey. It's that deep south burn.
Me either. It was Dad.
A deep south burn, yo.
It must have been Bodie then.
Stop right here one
No.
last time.
No.
No, we got to do this outro. We got to tell everybody how much fun we had down here. Come on over.
Thank you for watching.
There you go.
Like and subscribe.
We had a good time in South Padre. Had a lot of fun doing a lot of different things.
What do you think of South Padre?
Sick.
Okay.
I'm slapping his belly.
Okay, Cash, what else you guys say?
I'm gonna go ahead.
All right, that's a wrap for this this video. This trip was a good one. Hopefully we have no issues driving home with going through Tornado Alley, going back up to the Midwest. So if you guys ever get a chance to come South Padre, I would highly recommend it. KOA was sweet. Loved it down here. I'm
ready to. I'm ready to go back to the cool weather.
I am not ready to go back.
And not deal with the humidity.
Yo, it's thick down here, like way thick. So
Look how
be prepared to
I know. Look what the cannonball did.
Oh my goodness.
be prepared to do some sweating.
Cannonball.
You're gonna look like Cash.
Oh yeah,
Look.
yeah. You're gonna step out of your camper and this is what you're gonna look like. And that's how bad the humidity is down here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.